from where you live.
Well, we've been talking about it for what seems like about a week at this point, and it finally has arrived. The snow is beginning to move into the region. Notice over the last couple of hours, even some light snowfall popping up ahead of the main system. The main system remains off across parts of western Illinois at this point and will be moving into the region during the early afternoon. But you can already see some of that light snowfall beginning to move into the southwestern and western portions of the viewing area. You get a better look at our Precision 18 radar, even over Lafayette at this point. Now, just because the radar shows snowfall doesn't mean that the snow is actually falling, or at least reaching the ground at this point. Conditions here at the surface are a little bit dry. We're seeing humidity at 71%, and as you look out at your RenCam, the snow on the radar is above Lafayette. However, our RenCam not showing any flurries as of yet, so we'll be seeing snow eventually, likely within the next hour, hour and a half. Snow will begin to fall here in Lafayette. It's 20 degrees currently. Winds are from the east-northeast, 10 miles per hour. That wind chill currently right around 9 miles per hour. Humidity 71%, relatively low, but once that humidity continues to rise up a little bit more, once more moisture is introduced into the atmosphere, that snow will begin to reach the surface and begin accumulating. 20 degrees though in Lafayette, 23 Crawfordsville, 22 in Kokomo as of right now. We're headed for temperatures right around the mid to upper 20s later on this afternoon. Your high-res futurecast doesn't really have much of that snow that's not reaching the ground. More or less 2 to 3 p.m. That's when the snow really begins to move in. See, this is by 5 p.m. Your evening commute home, definite snow chances moving in at that time, and really the snow continues from there on out through tomorrow afternoon. We're expecting snow chances completely. Icing and wintry mix will stay far off to the south of us. We're not going to need to be worrying about any of the wintry mix, the freezing rain, the sleet. No, this is going to be mainly a snow event for us, and the snow will continue through tomorrow morning into tomorrow afternoon, and that is why the National Weather Service has a winter storm warning out for the entire viewing area beginning at 1 p.m. this afternoon Eastern Time, continuing through 1 p.m. tomorrow Eastern Time as well. So the snow will continue. We're looking at anywhere between 5 to 9 inches of accumulation throughout the entire viewing area. Isolated chances of 10 inches. So sprinkled in, we could be seeing some 10-inch measurements throughout the viewing area. 5 to 7 inches for the far northern portion of the viewing area, far southern portion of the viewing area. So that means Crawfordsville as well as parts of southern Fountain County, right around 5 to 7 inches, likely near 7 inches for those regions. Now, once you get to the central portion of the viewing area, pretty much 7 to 9 inches will be the rule. Lafayette looking to be about 8 to 9 inches. Once again, though, 10 inches certainly not out of the question for this evening and tomorrow morning. 27 degrees will be your high temperature in West Lafayette later this afternoon. We'll hit that about 3 p.m., dropping down to around 26 at 5 p.m. 23 degrees by 10 p.m. We'll see an overnight low temperature of 22 degrees. Temperatures will be remaining relatively stable. That's all thanks to the high moisture content of the atmosphere and the lack of a passing cold front. But that cold front will be passing through the region by tomorrow afternoon. That's going to help plummet those temperatures. But altogether, the snow will continue throughout tomorrow morning. Light snow showers hanging on till likely your lunch hour for Wednesday. Once Wednesday afternoon rolls around, we begin to dry out and we begin to cool off. Temperatures will be warming up into the mid-20s once again for tomorrow afternoon. 25 degrees in West Lafayette. We'll hit 24 Crawfordsville, 24 in Attica as well. And then the bottom falls out. We're going to fall all the way down to -6 Wednesday night and Thursday morning. Thursday, we only warm up to 6 degrees. Overnight lows Thursday night near -8. So we are looking at the sub-zero temperatures returning to the viewing area. Our next chance of snow won't arrive again until Saturday. Some light passing flurries are a possibility that day. 20 degrees your high temperature on Sunday. Another slight chance of snow. This one likely bringing anywhere about 1 to maybe even 3 inches of accumulation on top of what we're expecting to receive over the next 24 to 48 hours.
Cam, this is something that's getting the whole state, and we're seeing the brunt of it.
We really are. You know, we're looking at the heaviest snowfall from the entire state. So once again, anywhere between 5 to 9 inches, likely right around 8 to 9 inches in Lafayette. Some of us, though, once again, could be seeing as much as 10 inches of accumulation by tomorrow afternoon.
All right, Cam, thanks. And we already have some school closings on our website, so head to WLFI.com for a look at those. Now